Okay, children. Now we will see about the water safe for drinking. Now, tell me, water is good solvent. Today in this lesson, we are going to learn about the substance that can dissolve in the water and that cannot dissolve in the water. Things that can float on the water, which is things that dissolve in the water. We are going to see about this 20. Okay, Pradyuman, please close your camera. Please come on. What do you now? I will show you one PPT. Give me 1 second. Am I audible, teacher?
Yes, teacher, you are completely audible.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. You can see this, everyone. PPT can be seen, children. Teacher, PPT is already visible. Can everyone can see the PPT? Children, let me know. Please put Y in the chat box. Okay, okay, okay. Now see, which substance can be dissolved in the water? Can anybody tell me? Come on, give me the answer in the chat box. Which substance can be dissolved in the water? कौन सा substance dissolved होता है पानी में जो घुल जाता है water में? Can anybody know the answer? Sugar, good. Who is this? Prathamesh, salt, very good. Sakshi, salt and sugar can dissolve in the water. Okay, good. Salt. Okay, okay. Thank you, children. Now I want to tell you, haldi means turmeric powder can dissolve in the water. Okay, turmeric powder. Okay, and chili powder also can dissolve in the water. Okay, good, good. Can an iron dissolve in the water? Can an iron dissolve in the water? No. Okay, but then what happened to the iron? Iron क्या होता है? Float होता है पानी पर? नहीं. फिर क्या होता है? Can anybody know? क्या होता है फिर iron का? Iron क्या होता है पानी में? Float होता है? Dissolved होता है? Go down. Good. Kapil Tiwari has said it goes down. Why? Because why it goes down, children? Why the iron goes down? Go down. क्यों जाता है? Can anybody tell me? Due to its weight, उसके weight की वजह से iron goes down directly to the water. Inside the water means heavy जो weight होता है इसलिए वो dissolve नहीं होता है ना वो float होता है वो directly कहाँ पे जाता है inside the water. Okay, now we'll see the PPT. Back to the PPT. Now see, it's an example given over there. एक example दिया हुआ है मैंने, तुम लोग घर पे कर सकते हो. Take a glass half full of water. Add a spoonful of sugar to it and stir it with a spoon. Stir it means क्या? गुलना. Hilana. See what changes take place. Repeat this experiment with each of the substance mentioned below. With पहला क्या बोला था मैंने sugar लेने के लिए. Now we will take another one. Wash the glass clean every time you take the next substance. अलग-अलग substance लेने से पहले what you are going to do? You are going to wash the glass. After taking the next steps in the new substance, you are going to wash the glass. Like common salt, then it dissolves. Honey, it dissolves. Washing soda, it dissolves. Powder alum. Alum means क्या? तुरटी. पता है? Anybody knows तुरटी? After parents, they will tell you. Okay, then sand. Wheat flour. अपना आटा. Then sawdust. What is this sawdust? जो मिलता है ना, जो कारपेंटर के यहाँ पे sawdust मिलता है. Okay, that one. Turmeric powder and some oil. Oil. Now tell me about the oil. Can anybody tell me about the oil? Come on. Answer me about the oil. What happened to the oil? What happened to the oil? It dissolved, it does not dissolve, or it's float. Stir means हिलाना. स्नेहा, stir means हिलाना. चमचे से हम लोग हिलाते हैं ना दूध को, milk को and all that सबको like that. Okay? My voice is not coming, Purvacha. Am I audible, everyone? Oil is not dissolved in water. Okay, Tanishka. It floats on the water. It floats on the water. Mayank has given the. Okay, good. Thank you. Okay. Purvacha, see from your side. Shivam, don't write anything. Okay, now we'll see again the PPT. Next, what do you see in this? What do you see? One is salt, sugar, and glass. Okay, of water. Sugar, salt, washing soda, alum disappear in the water. Disappear means घुल जाते हैं पानी में. They dissolve completely in the water. But sand, listen carefully. But sand, sawdust, turmeric powder, oil do not disappear even on stirring. वो वहां पर ही रहता है. ऑयल को कितना भी हिलाओ वो ऊपर आ जाता है. सॉडस्ट को भी कितना हिलाओ वो डिसॉल्व नहीं होता है, वहां पे नीचे बैठ जाता है. ओके, पानी के अंदर बैठ जाता है. They do not dissolve. Okay, means which are the substance do not dissolve and which are the substance that can dissolve. Keep it in mind. I am going to ask you the question, children. Keep it in mind. I am going to ask you the question. Sugar, salt, washing soda, alum disappear in the water. Means this dissolve in the water. Which substance do not dissolve? Is the sand, sawdust, turmeric powder, oil do not dissolve in the water. Do not dissolve in the water. Understood? Again, I am repeating for you. Sugar, salt, washing soda, alum disappear means dissolve in the water. Then sand, sawdust, turmeric powder, oil do not disappear means does not dissolve in the water. Now we'll see the next PPT. Substance that dissolve the water spread throughout the water. जो पानी में घुलता है substance वो पूरा पानी में मिल जाता है. The taste of the water changes. The water is odorless. Water is tasteless, but when we put a salt, when we put a sugar, it becomes when we put a salt, it becomes salty. When we put a sugar, it becomes sweet. Means वो पूरा dissolve होने के बाद पानी का taste अलग होता है. When salt dissolves in water, the water in the container tasted salty. When sugar dissolves, the water tastes sweet. Solution. When a substance dissolves in water, a mixture of that substance and water is formed. मिक्सचर ऑफ उसका पानी का और उसका मिक्स होने के बाद पानी फॉर्म होता है. जैसे होगा वैसे मींस लाइक अ स्वीट देन स्वीट सॉल्टी देन सॉल्टी. दिस मिक्सचर इज कॉल्ड द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दैट सब्सटेंस. जो मिक्सचर हमने बनाया है सॉल्ट का या फिर शुगर का उसको क्या बोलते हैं? व्हाट वी कॉल दैट सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दैट सब्सटेंस. व्हाट वी कॉल दैट सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दैट सब्सटेंस. वी विल सी द नेक्स्ट. ओके, इफ समवन गेट्स लूज मोशन, can anybody tell? लूज मोशन तो सबको पता है क्या होता है. ओके, लूज मोशन मींस क्या? जुलाब लगना. ओके, तो उसमें से क्या होता है? बॉडी ड्रेन आउट ऑल द वाटर. वो बॉडी ड्रेन आउट वाटर सो दैट. तो मम्मी अपने को पानी पिलाती है, सलाइन लगाते हैं, डॉक्टर सलाइन लगाया हुआ है ना. कैन यू सी हियर? सी दिस इज द सलाइन. पूरा पेट में का पानी निकल जाता है. ओके, बाहर निकल जाता है. ओके, वी गिव देम अ सॉल्यूशन ऑफ सॉल्ट एंड शुगर. मम्मी गिव्स द सॉल्ट एंड शुगर का पानी देते हैं ना, ORS देती है. उसमें क्या रहता है? थोड़ा सा नमक, थोड़ा सा शुगर. सो वी विल गेट एन एनर्जी बैक अगेन. पानी अपने बॉडी में फिर से आ सकता है. दिस सॉल्यूशन इज कॉल्ड ORS और ओरल रिहाइड्रेशन सॉल्यूशन. A patient in a hospital is sometimes put on saline. Saline में वही रहता है. Water is there in the saline with salt and sugar water is there. So we'll get an energy back. That is on a solution of salt in the water. Sometimes other medicines may also be given through saline. Yes, injection डालते हैं ना एनर्जी के लिए saline में. Everybody must be knowing. कभी-कभी तुम लोग एडमिट हुए कि नहीं हुए हुए. Okay, वहाँ पे saline के अंदर इंजेक्शन दिया. putting injection of energy that we will get back our energy again. Lose motion की वजह से क्या होता है? We will drop our energy low level. Okay, these are the example of using solution. These are the examples of using solution. Again, I am reading for you, children. If someone gets loose motion, we give them a solution of salt and sugar to drink. We give them a solution of salt and sugar to drink. This solution is called ORS or oral rehydration solution. A patient in a hospital is sometimes put on saline. They are put on the saline. That is on a solution of salt in the water. Solution of salt in the पानी के अंदर क्या रहता है? saline में salt. Solution of salt in the water. Sometimes other medicines may also be given through saline. These are example of useful solution. These are the example of useful solution. Do you know seawater is salty? Can anybody tell me why the seawater is salty? पानी खारा क्यों होता है sea water का? to test because it is nothing but a solution of salt that occurs naturally. ये कुछ नहीं है, पानी सी के अंदर पानी में सॉल्ट रहता है, इसलिए इट्स नेचुरली अ सॉल्टी वाटर, सो द सी वाटर इज सॉल्टी. हम लोग नमक कहाँ से मिलता है हम लोग को? गेट सॉल्ट फ्रॉम द सी और फ्रॉम द ओशन. गेट सॉल्ट फ्रॉम द सी और द ओशन. We cannot use sea water for drinking. We cannot use the salty water every day. पूरा खरा खरा लगेगा. White spot will come on our faces because salt is not good for our health. ज्यादा भी नमक अच्छा नहीं है अपने हेल्थ के लिए. Okay? खारा पानी डेली पी सकते. Even चलो थोड़ा स्वीट पानी भी little bit we can drink. But salt water we cannot drink. We started vomiting. We started vomiting after drinking the sea water. After drinking the salt water. Water of different wells may have different taste. Some of the wells are having a sweet taste. Water is having a sweet taste. Kabhi means in some of the village, some wells are there. There, water is sweet. कहाँ means मतलब heavy water है. Heavy water means क्या होता है? बहुत पानी जाड़ा रहता है. अपने को पछता नहीं है. We get start collecting loose motion. अपने को loose motion start होता है. Okay? We get a loose motion. We start with a loose motion. इसका सॉफ्ट पानी रहता है, एकदम हल्का पानी रहता है. व्हाट इज दैट कॉल्ड? सॉफ्ट पानी मींस अपने को पछता भी है, इट्स ओके. कौन सा हार्ड वाटर से अपने बाल भी झड़ जाते हैं वेल में, लाइक दैट. वाटर ऑफ डिफरेंट वेल मे हैव डिफरेंट टेस्ट. व्हाई इज दैट सो? सम सब्सटेंस फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड डिसॉल्व इन द वाटर. कुछ तो सब्सटेंस है वो ग्राउंड के अंदर से डिसॉल्व होते पानी में. Because well water comes from where? Underground. Well water comes from where? From the underground. Okay, well water comes from the underground. They give a taste to the well water. वो dissolve होने के बाद well का पानी change होता है, taste उसका change हो जाता है. But if there is nothing dissolved in water, but if there is nothing, कुछ भी dissolve नहीं हुआ होगा पानी के अंदर, water has no taste. Water is tasteless. Water is odorless. Water को पानी को टेस्ट नहीं होता है. Odorless means उसको स्मेल भी नहीं होता है. Water does not have any smell. It is not a taste also. When we remove the lid of the soda bottle, सोडे के पानी का ढक्कन, बॉटल का ढक्कन हम लोग, what happens? Bubbles fizz out of it. Bubbles आ जाते हैं बाहर because there is gas inside that. Because that bottle has a gas inside that. Okay. To make soda water, a gas called carbon dioxide is dissolved in water. के अंदर कौन सा रहता है गैस? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड हैज अ gas in the soda water. Okay, carbon dioxide is a gas in the soda water dissolved in water under pressure. To make soda water, a gas called carbon dioxide is dissolved in water under pressure. When the lid is removed, when the lid means क्या? ढक्कन. The pressure reduce, the gas bubbles out. वहां का प्रेशर नीचे जाता है और bubbles come started up. Okay, bubbles kept coming up. Now see, fill a large container with water. Can you see this container over here? Can you see this container over there? पूरा पानी से भर दो. Collect the following articles. Which are the articles you are going to collect it? Which are the articles you are going to collect it? From your compost box. Compost box से ले लो. A plastic ruler. What are you going to take? A plastic ruler. जो एकदम हल्की रहती वजह से. An eraser, a pencil, a sharpener, a rubber band, a compass. Okay, what will dissolve and what not are going to not dissolve. See, the plastic, can you see here? The plastic scale is up, floating. This is the pencil floating. This is the rubber band floating. And rest of this are gone down because they're having a heavy weight. Because they have a heavy weight. From the house, a steel spoon, pick up a plastic spoon. Pick up some groundnut shell. Groundnut shell means क्या होता है? शेंगदाने का छिलका. An iron nail, खिला, a screw, a coin. Take that, put it there. कौन सी चीजें नीचे जाती है? Which of the things are floating? Which of the things go down in the water? From outer stone, little twigs. थोड़े बहुत twigs means क्या होता है? Grass के ये होते हैं twigs. पत्तियां भी नहीं बोलते हम लोग सारा grass. कोई grass क्यों है? Leaves, soil means mud and all that. Put the things in the water and see whether each of them sink or float. Which of them sink? Which जाना or float हो रहा है? देखो. This is an experiment you can do at your home. Today you can do. It's good for you. What do you see? The eraser, the sharpener, steel spoon, mill, screw, stones, coins, the compass, and the soil sink in the water while the other things float. While the other things float. Soil means क्या होता है? Mud, मिट्टी. What does this tell us? Some things float on water while some things sink in it. What does you know? इसमें से हम लोग क्या मिलता है सीखने में कि some things floats on the water, ऊपर रहती है, float होती है पानी पर, while some things sink into it, नीचे चली जाती है. Those who are having a heavy weight goes down. Those who don't have a heavy weight, they are light in weight. They are floating up on the water. Understood till here, children? Come on, give me. If you understood, please tell me. If you understood, please tell me yes or no. Okay. Okay, thank you. Now we'll see another slide. Okay, we'll see another slide. We'll see another slide. Try this. Take some muddy water. 1 second, huh? It's going backside. Try this. Take some muddy water in a big beaker. Take some muddy water. मिट्टी वाला पानी ले लो in a big beaker. Beaker means what? अभी glass, बड़े वाले glass में. If you do not find muddy water, then make some of by adding some soil. Some of by adding some soil. मड से पानी को घोल दो. Piece of dry twigs, straws, leaves, etc. to the water. Put what I told you to put some piece of twigs, dry twigs, सूखा हुआ गवर, then straws, leaves, etc. to the water. Now allow this beaker to stand still for 4 or 5 hours. ऐसे ही रखो 4 or 5 hours में. What do you see? The particles of soil sink in the water and form a layer of sediment at the bottom. पानी का पूरा मिट्टी का थर नीचे बैठ जाता है और क्या होता है? ऐसे गाढ़ा गाढ़ा हो जाता है वहां पर नीचे. You can see this at the bottom. But twigs and other rubbish float on the water. But क्या जो हल्का रहता है ना, वो leaves and all that कहाँ पे आ जाते हैं? ऊपर आ जाते हैं. It started floating on the water. It takes a long time for the sediment or to form. Okay, it takes a long time. सब मिक्सर तुम लोग ने क्या किया था? मिला के पानी में डाला था. सब मिक्सर, हाँ, ये सब सॉइल, पीस ऑफ ट्विग पूरा मिक्स करके पानी के अंदर डाला. पर क्या होता है? जो मड है, जो सॉइल है, वो नीचे बैठ जाती है और जो बाकी के जो थिंग्स रहते हैं ना, वो क्या होता है? ऊपर फ्लोट हो जाते हैं on the water. What does this tell? Particles of soil are heavier than water. Particles of soil are heavier than water, but because they are very small, they take a long time to settle to the bottom of the water. Leaves, tin, etc. are lighter than the water. Are they lighter? Lighter means क्या? Both lightweight. Now the water appears much clearer and transparent than it was. क्योंकि मड नीचे बैठ गई है, पानी ऊपर का क्लीन हो गया है. Because the mud is settled down in the beaker, so the water little bit becomes a clean. And you can see that the mud is down over there. So you can see the mud down over there. Okay, now we will see about the new terms. Potable water, water safe for drinking. Water that does not endanger our health in any way when we drink, it is called a safe drinking water or potable water. Which are the safe drinking water? Can anybody tell me? We are boiling the water for drinking. Yes or no? Nowadays we should boil the water and drink because this is the rainy season. Rainy season में पूरा mud आ जाता है. In the tap also mud comes. Okay, so we should drink boiling water every day. Boiled water should be drink. We are having a purifier. Okay, Pureit having, someone is having purifier. Then Pureit is the water filter is the. We should drink that water only. Drinking water must be safe for our health. Drinking water must be safe for our health. Drinking water is must that health. Otherwise, we will drink a muddy water, our stomach get upset down. Loose motion will be started. Okay? Pure water has no taste. Pure water has no taste at all. Smell or color. It has no color, it has no smell, it has no taste at all. Water has odorless, tasteless, I told you first also, and colorless. Again and again I am repeating, water has tasteless, odorless, smell नहीं रहता है उसको, और कलरलेस रहता है. If water has a color or a foul smell, one must avoid drinking it. अगर पानी का कलर कुछ ग्रीन कलर होता, can we drink it? No. शी, कितना गंदा लग रहा है, कैसे ग्रीन कलर का पानी हम लोग पिएंगे. अगर पानी का रंग कलर रेड होता, can we drink it? No mummy, it's red in color. कैसे पिएंगे हम लोग इसको? छी. ओके. अगर पानी का कलर येलो होता या फिर ब्राउन होता, अगर उसका टेस्ट कुछ गंदा होता तो पी सकते थे. नो, वी डोंट ड्रिंक दैट टाइप ऑफ वाटर. इट कैन मेक्स अस इल. इट कैन मेक्स अस इल. When we get muddy water during the rainy season, now only I told you, in the rainy season we get a muddy water. What should we do? We should boil that water and drink. We should boil that water and drink. We allow it to settle before using it. If necessary, we use alum. Alum means turti. Ask your parents what is alum. Okay? Or we filter the water. After boiling it, filter the water and put it in your pot. And put it in your pot or in your bottle for drinking. Its muddiness disappears and the water looks clean and transparent. And the water looks clean and transparent means no color at all. It's white in color. Not in white in color also. It does not have any color. Water does not have any color. Can we say that it is now safe for drinking? Yes, it is safe for drinking. Now we can drink that water. Okay. New terms. Micro means what? Very, very small. Microorganism रहते हैं, उसमें छोटे-छोटे कीड़े भी रहते हैं. After boiling the water, that कीड़ा means वहाँ का microorganism bacteria रहते हैं, उसके अंदर वो मर जाता है. Okay? Micro means what? Very, very small. Organism, living things. Microorganism, a living thing that cannot be seen by the naked eyes. Naked eyes means open eyes. Okay? Or even with a magnified glass. Magnified glass पता है वो गोला होता है, हाथ में पकड़ के देखते हैं हम लोग magnified glass. That one glass. Microscope, an instrument for looking at very, very small things which we cannot see with our eyes or even through a magnified glass. Microscope क्या होता है? एक मशीन रहती है. उस मशीन भी नहीं रहती है. It's in black color. I will show you picture of micro. See the next PPT. This girl is seeing. Can you see this? Microscope. This is called a microscope. Okay, this is called a microscope. Then, do you know if we take a bit of yogurt? Yogurt क्या होता है? दही. What is meaning of yogurt? दही. Or a drop of buttermilk. Buttermilk क्या होता है? ताप. On a glass slide and place the slide under a microscope. We see very tiny living things in it. Very tiny living things means हम लोग नहीं, कीड़ा उसके अंदर. What we can see? कीड़ा. Okay. Small micro bacteria are there inside the buttermilk and the yogurt. They are called a microorganism. This microorganism convert milk into yogurt. They are useful for us. ये हम लोग अगर खाएंगे तो हमारे लिए healthy है. I don't know why, but it's healthy for us. Okay, but all microorganisms are not useful. कौन से useful है, कौन से useful नहीं? We will see ahead. जब तुम लोग बड़े होगे, you will go ahead. You can see this. Which microorganisms are useful for us, which are not. Some microorganisms causes diseases. When they enter our body, they are said to be harmful microorganisms. They are said to be harmful. Harmful क्या होता है? अपने body को harm करने वाला organisms. Okay, now we see ahead. There are numerous kinds of microorganisms around us. There are numerous, बहुत सारे microorganisms around us. They are in the soil. Soil means what? In the mud. They are in the soil, in water, in air, or rocks. Where are they? In the soil, mud mein, in water, in air, on rock. Nowadays we are putting mask on our mouth. Why we are putting? Because some germs are there in the air. Okay. To protect us from this germ, we are putting a mask. तो अपने मुंह के अंदर नहीं जाना चाहिए. That is anywhere and everywhere. Even if harmful microorganisms are present in water, even harmful microorganisms are present in water, we are not able to see them. अभी हमारे इधर पानी में है, but we cannot see that. Even if the water is in water, the microorganisms are present, we cannot see. We are not using that what is that? We are not using this माइक्रोस्कोप टू सी एवरी इच एंड टाइम, कि हम लोग नहीं देख सकते, अब उसको लेके देखो कि इसके अंदर जर्म्स है क्या नहीं, ऐसे तो बहुत टाइम लगेगा पानी पीने के लिए, वी आर थर्स्टी, और हम लोग फटाफट पानी पी जाते हैं। माइक्रोस्कोप देखेंगे, उसको देखेंगे अंदर की पानी के अंदर जर्म्स है क्या नहीं, फिर पिएंगे, कितना टाइम जाएगा। ओके, even if harmful microorganisms are present in water, we are not able to see them. Now, though the water with such microorganisms look transparent, will it be safe for drinking? You may know that during the rainy season, we often hear of an outbreak of diarrhea or gastric. Diarrhea means क्या? Loose motion. Gastric means gas होना, वही लूज मोशन की तरह होना, पेट दुखना एंड ऑल दैट। क्यों? बिकॉज ऑफ दिस डर्टी वाटर, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस डर्टी वाटर। ये बीमारियां रेनी सीजन में क्यों आती है? बिकॉज ऑफ द वाटर। We get this type of illness, sickness because of the dirty water. At such times, we need to boil the water. अभी क्या करना चाहिए इसके टाइम? ऐसे टाइम में we are going to boil the water that has been cleaned by settling and filtration. क्या करना है? फिल्टर करना है पानी को और पीना है। Only then does it become safe for drinking. Yes, after that only you should drink the water. Boiling the water kills the microorganisms in it and prevent diseases. Everyone understood till here? Come on, tell me. Everyone understood till here? Yogurt का मैंने बोला ना दही, very good, thank you. Now I'm going to show you one video about this chapter. Means you will clear what is Jagruti. Where is the student chair, parents? Is the Jagruti listening? Who is this Shivam Gupta? Why are you writing why? Only once you should write. I'm going to show you now one video regarding this. Water safe for drinking. Is the video audible? Is the video audible? Let me know. Video audible है सबको? Okay. Thank you. Come on, again I will show you the video now. You cannot see the water, sugar in the water.
Teacher, no voice for the video. The video is not audible.
1 second. You have to see now the changes, what is taking place.
Yes, now it is audible.
Other substances which you are going to take are as follows: oil, salt, powdered alum, washing soda, sawdust, honey, sand, wheat flour, and turmeric powder. Children, what do you see when you dissolve all the substances one by one in the water? You will find that sugar, salt, washing soda, alum disappears in water. That means they dissolve completely in the water. You cannot see them in the water. You will notice that substances like sand, sawdust, turmeric powder
and oil. They do not disappear even on stirring. They do not dissolve in water. This means that some substances dissolve in water while some substances do not. The substance that dissolves in water spreads throughout the water. When salt dissolves in water, the water in the container tastes salty, isn't it, student? When sugar dissolves, the water tastes sweet. The water becomes sweet. Here we are going to learn a new term, solution. Substance dissolves in water. A mixture of that substance and water is formed. This mixture is called the solution of that substance. Here in the picture you can see two different things we have taken, water and sugar. But when we mix sugar and water together, we get a new thing. What is that new thing? We get sweet water. This sweet water is called the solution. Understood? Students, if someone gets loose motions, we give them a solution of salt and sugar to drink. This solution is called ORS, that is oral rehydration solution. A patient in a hospital is sometimes put on saline, that is on a solution of salt in water. Sometimes other medicines may also be given through saline. These are examples of useful solutions. EVS 1, Chapter 3.
Okay, children, now one more. 1 second. 1 minute.
Hello students. Hello children. Welcome to EVS session. Let us continue with the lesson Water Safe for Drinking. Children, as you all know, seawater is salty to taste because it is nothing but a solution of salt that occurs naturally. Can you use seawater for drinking? No, we cannot use because it is salty. Water of different wells may have different taste. Why it is so, children? Because some substances from the ground dissolve in the water. They give a taste to the well water. But if there is nothing dissolved in water, water has no taste. Children, you might have noticed this. When we remove the lid of a soda water bottle, bubbles fizz out of it. To make soda water, a gas called carbon dioxide is dissolved in water under pressure. When the lid is removed or when the cap of the bottle is removed, the pressure reduces and the gas bubbles out. Children, let us try one activity. After when I finish explaining you the activity, you all are going to perform this activity at your home. Let us start. First, you have to take a big container. You have to fill water in it. Now, you have to collect the following things, what I am going to tell now. Now, first from your box, take one plastic ruler, an eraser, a pencil, a sharpener, a rubber band, and the compass. Now, from your home, a steel spoon, then a plastic spoon. Then take some groundnut shells. Now take an iron nail, a screw and a coin. Now from outdoors, you have to collect stones, little twigs, leaves and some soil. Now listen children, whatever things you have collected from your compass box, from your house and from outdoors, all the things you are going to put in the water one by one. Now, see whether each of them sinks or floats on the water. Means you have to notice which of the things, which of the material they sinks in the water, they go inside the water and settle down, and the things which float on the surface of the water. Notice it very carefully. Now children, what do you see? The eraser, the sharpener, steel spoon, nail, screw, stones, coin, the compass and the soil.